ready to turn your Friday night into a virtual movie marathon with your besties, all thanks to Discord. First, fire up Discord and hop onto your server, or create a new one specifically for movie nights to keep things organized. A dedicated server makes it easy to manage guests and movies. Next, find or create a voice channel for your movie night. This will be your central hub for chatting and coordinating the viewing experience. Click on the voice channel to join it. Now, for the magic screen sharing. Look for the screen share icon, usually located near the bottom left of your Discord window, and click on it. A new window will appear. You'll see options to share either a specific application window, like your movie player, or your entire screen. Sharing a specific window is generally recommended for better performance. Select your media player and click Go Live. And voila! Your movie is now being streamed to everyone in the voice channel. Make sure your microphone is unmuted so you can all chat and react to the movie in real time like you were there in person. Now sit back, grab your popcorn, and enjoy the show. Discord lets you share the silver screen experience no matter where you and your friends are. Don't forget to sprinkle in those movie nights with the hashtag Discord Movies and Virtual Hangout. And subscribe for more digital hangout tips.